Moving to Grovetown, Georgia? Today, we're touring real homes and explaining pricing, neighborhoods, and the cost of living. I'll also show you how buyers are purchasing homes with little or no money down. Stay until the end because we'll go over the credit score requirements and home loan programs many people don't even know they qualify for.
Let's tour this luxury home, brought to you by Hale Realty.
Welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. I'm Noah, here with Steve and Robert Hale and our team at Hale Realty. As we tour this home today, I want to share some great news for those of you interested in owning your own home in the near future, especially if you think a low credit score is holding you back from homeownership in Augusta, Georgia, and the surrounding areas. You might think you need perfect credit or a big down payment to buy a home, but that's a common myth. The truth is, many lenders now use your VantageScore, the same one you see on Credit Karma, to help you qualify. And these scores are often higher than the old credit models. A score of 580 or higher could be all you need to get started. For our veterans, a 500 score can often get you approved for a VA loan, frequently with zero down. And if your score is 600 or higher, we have down payment assistance programs available that could mean you need no money down at all. So, don't let your credit score stop you. Call Hale Realty today at 706-796-2274 or 706-840-4663. You can also visit us at bobhale.com to check out the latest listings, whether you're looking to buy, rent, or even explore rent-to-own opportunities.
Thanks for tuning in to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel and Hale Realty.